how to fix unable to log in to Grindr on Android. So if you want to fix unable to log into your Grindr, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you've updated the application, because if you've not updated, you might find some kind of problems. So you can go with your App Store or your Play Store, go with your search and search for the application. After searching, if you have any updates on your application, you just need simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of apps. Tap on it. Go with manage apps. After that, go with search. And here you need to search for a Grindr. Once you find, you need to tap on the application and then go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and clear all of your data. After clearing your data, go and log back into your account and it will fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.